Hello students, here is a short video on the tool called Adobe Spark, which is one digital option for the creative part of your Magic Pencil project. Um, Adobe Spark is a online media creation tool. Um, you can use the link on Google Classroom or just type in Adobe Adobe Spark Spark into a internet browser. The first hit should be the correct link. If you click on that link, you'll see a page like this. You're going to want to sign in as a student. So it says on the right hand side, teacher or student. You log in with your school account. Every school account with San Diego Unified should have access to Adobe Spark. And then it will ask you to choose your name, and you can click in and you're signed in. When you get into your home page, you're going to see a number of different options. I recommend for the assignment that you guys work on creating a video or a slideshow. So if you click this little plus button, it's going to give you some options. Do you want to make a flyer, a web page, or a video? I recommend making that video or slideshow. So once you click video, it's going to ask you, okay, what do you want to call your video? You can call it the Magic Pencil Project. There are some different templates that you can check out that they create for you to get you started. But I like to start from scratch, this little button at the bottom. And then I'm going to click OK, I'm ready. And then this is what the slideshow or video option of Adobe Spark really looks like. You can adjust the type of screen. Maybe you want full screen option, you want split screen, you can add captions or title and text. So you can adjust the layout of each slide. The cool part about Adobe Spark is that you can add video, you can add photos, icons to each slide, and then on top of the video or the text, you can record your voice. So if I click here and hold it, it's going to record my voice. Before I do that, let's imagine that I am drawing with my magic pencil a hospital because I want more people to have access to healthcare. So I go here and I look for a photo. I'm going to type in hospital, and it's going to give me a whole range of options, and I want to choose one that I like, so I'll choose this hospital here. And now that I have this image, I want to include my voice talking about the hospital. So I would click on this button and hold it. Allow the browser to use your microphone. Hello. For my Magic Pencil project, I decided that I would draw a hospital because a lot of people are suffering from illness or sickness, and a hospital would help take care of those people. So you can see here that it recorded that voice, and if I want to play it back, I can click the little playback button. Hello. For my Magic Pencil project, I decided that I would draw a hospital because so you can also tell that in that first slide here, I have music playing in the background. If I don't want that music or I want to add music, I can go to this little music button here, and it says there's music. I can turn the music off by pressing this button or turning the volume down. I can change the music. You can also see there's some other tabs here where it gives you themes for the slides or allows you to resize them. So you can see that there are a lot of cool features with Adobe Spark that you can use to make a video. We'll be playing with this tool throughout the year for different projects. I hope you have fun exploring.